people. So my people, those ones are done at the back, so I have to pick up the pot or something like that you call the plate. All right, the big plate, and then I pull this, and then I remove the fish, and there's one, and there will be another one, and there will be another one, and another one. So I think these ones I'm gonna still let it go. I'm gonna flip them again. Alright, I'm gonna flip him again. Alright guys, now they are gonna cook. Good. Alright. Let's hope. Let's go guys. Oh, the last one flipped. Alright, I need to flip them. Alright, that was easy. Alright guys, let's go. This is so hot still. Alright. Alright my people, I just took two fish out that were on the back part, and I flipped those over again. So actually, because of the eyes are white, they are like pretty cooked already, but I like a little bit crispy, you know. So let's go guys. So my people, let's take the sardines out already, or what? Let's go guys. Oh, this will be so tasty. Alright. There's one. Another one. And one more. Oh yes, my people. Nice. I think, whoops, I think I can enjoy the feast now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and this will taste great my people. That's how we do it in Portugal. So do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like the video, and we'll see you next time guys. Let's go.